got a few goodies in the mail, and since I take all my stuff, let my boxes sit, then I clean everything on the inside, let them sit, you know, the whole 9 yards just to make sure, or whatever. But I thought these were really cute. I got these. That's why I couldn't open it in the box. I've been ordering art supplies. I'm a little low, so I thought I'd get some pocket things for traveling on the road. Gorgeous, aren't they? I'm open one, I guess. Love that orange. Just make little pictures in here. Oh, okay. You can just tell I'll be buying stuff. I didn't know it did that. Okay, so isn't that cute? Okay, so that. Now this here, I'm gonna probably do a little slideshow or whatever, what I ordered when I was ordering. I'm ordering more too. But when you look at this, okay, just making sure you guys can see it. And the picture looked huge, so I didn't pay any attention to it. Any attention whatsoever. Let me see. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. I just thought it was bigger. I'm not fond of the plastic. But then when traveling, I mean, I'd rather have my metal. Okay, I don't have nails, people. That's too much work. Let me see if I can bang this on something. Really? Okay, this is... Okay, it's just me. Okay, here it is. That's cute. So this, I like it when I'm traveling. I like to paint. So I was looking for art supplies where I could do that. I'm gonna take this top off, and that's the paintbrush. So that'll go well, pair very well with these. I can just put that in my purse or my backpack. Okay, and then this. I just ordered an array of, just to see what's out there. Some costly, because I think the one that I used on the last set of paints was like $40, and those paints are pretty much gone. So I chop my nails, clip them the minute they grow. So I guess I'm gonna have to start saving them, not doing it. This is crazy. I don't want to ruin the box, but I might have to. Okay, well, no, hold on. Let me find something. I appreciate them doing it like this. But, Okay, let me come back to that one. I'll come back to that one. Now, this one, I need some scissors for the other one. I made Fox put all these videos together when I posted, because I'll be ordering for a minute until I get a decent new set. Oh, okay. I got the scissors for this one. Is that how it looks? Let's hope that comes off, because I have issues with getting stuff I didn't mess up. Look, they had tape across it. Okay, here it is. Oh, this is pretty nice. That's pretty metallics. Okay. If I can't get that off, I may have to complain about that. Oh, it looks like maybe this was returned then, because look how the box is. Can you see that? It was probably returned from someone else. I'll probably give those away. It has 2 watercolor pens in it. Okay. Make sure everything's in there. It says it comes with water tank brushes. It's 5, so those are all in there. So maybe I have to return it, unless this is not coming off. Look at that. I mean, I don't think any of my containers are scratched. Okay, it might be coming out. Let me see. Okay, that's not important. Okay, it looks like this may be paper. Yeah, paper. That's pretty. Okay. I'll look at that one in much more detail. gift card. Okay. Next one. So you can see who it's by. Not that lights get in the way. 40 colors, Japanese style. Find a place to cut it where it won't damage it. Okay, finally. Okay. This is child-proof or Moody-proof. Okay, so Mozart. That's some good music. Okay, I like that. See, it's dented. I have issues, so I'm just gonna have to start letting that go, I guess, because it's not gonna do me any good. They have a color chart where you can paint in the colors. Okay. Oh, a few metallics. Okay. This is cute. Okay. Okay, I like this. Okay, let me try to get into this other one. Let me pause this video and go ahead and show you guys what I've shown you, because I'm not really sure if you can see it. I definitely need a better camera setup. Let me see. I'm not really sure if you guys saw. Let me just go through it really quick, and then I'll probably speed this part of the video up. This is all metal. That's what I like about that. It's all metal. Oh. Okay, and then where's that tiny little? Oh, it's so tiny, I almost missed it. So this little tiny thing. See, okay. That's enough of that. And then 2 of these. Okay, now I'm gonna try to go open this. Be back. Okay, I'm back. I have to gently use my scissors for this one. I try to get inexpensive paints too, because for the most part they work about the same. The painting, I was gonna say the ones I've been painting with recently, they weren't cheap. Okay, so I was able to get it open. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Who is it by again? Doodle Hog. Yes, yeah, sounds like me. Okay. This looks like I just bought the same thing over, doesn't it? But smaller. Is it missing on purpose? It's just movable, huh? I'll have to check that out and make sure this. It says 36. Is that on purpose? Or is it like this so it can be moved? Oh, okay, cool. This is gorgeous. I have to get another one of these just because it's pretty. Look at that. I love that sound. So anyway, here's this. And where you can kind of paint in so you'll know what it looks like. Okay, not a bad deal for my first order actually. Hopefully the next order will be pastels. Acrylics. Okay, bye.